In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make comments in Figma. This quick and easy guide will help you get up to speed in no time. Whether you're collaborating with a team or just want to leave notes for yourself, commenting in Figma is a straightforward and powerful feature that you definitely want to master. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that many designers and teams rely on for creating stunning digital designs. You'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Figma's website. If you're not logged in already, look for the login button at the top right corner of the Figma homepage and click on it. Enter your credentials and sign into your account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of Figma. From here, locate and click on the Design tab. This is where all the magic happens. You'll be taken to an area where you can see your projects and files. Browse through your list of projects and open the file you wish to work on by clicking on it. Once you're inside the design file, you'll notice various tools and options at your disposal. Now let's talk about adding comments. Look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll see an icon that looks like a speech bubble or comment icon. Click on this icon to enable the comment mode. This mode allows you to leave notes and feedback directly on your design file. After clicking the comment icon, you'll notice that your cursor changes to reflect the change in mode. Now you're ready to add your comments. To place a comment, simply click on any area of the design where you'd like to leave your feedback. You'll see a text box appear. Here you can type in your comment, providing as much detail as necessary to convey your message effectively. Once you've entered your text, hit the enter key or click outside the text box to save your comment. That's not all. Figma also allows collaboration, which means that once you've added your comments, other team members can view them and even reply. When someone addresses your feedback, you will get notifications, making it easy to stay on top of the conversation. Remember, comments in Figma are versatile. You can even tag specific team members by using the @ symbol followed by their name, which will trigger them to be notified of your comment directly. And that's it. You've now learned how to make comments in Figma, enabling you to better communicate and collaborate with your team. This tool can significantly enhance the workflow, especially in collaborative projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to revisit this video as needed, and happy designing.